Hey guys, Matt here. Today we got a secret box here, so you will know what's that later on. Basically, when you do an unbox with this guy, the box is pretty big too. I can't even, almost don't have enough space to grab all of this. Anyways, let's get into it. Okay, let's pry these off, and then pretty loud, so sorry about that. Not okay. Let's cut this off. Okay. It doesn't let me cut. Okay. Yes. Always like to do this. Always like to do these. Oh wow. Okay, so dun dun. This is a joystick for your phone. Oh, what's this? Oh, this is for fingers. Anyways, yeah, Bluetooth, so you could connect this to your phone, and then it could play games using this joystick. Okay, let's take a look at the inside. Beautiful. Wow. Looks like a very refined product. Oh, charger. Since it doesn't have any power anymore. Oh yeah, actually have some power. Okay, let's see. So we need to open it, and then I don't wanna. It's Chinese. Okay, firstly press the power button about 2 seconds until the blue light, okay? And then press the power button. Parent connect upper power on the work LED flash that enters the wireless code. Okay. Let's do with my S6 I mean iPhone 6 Plus. So just want to tell you guys that I decided to buy the iPhone SE2, given the fact that I asked my fans on Instagram, and most of them tell me that I should buy this because it's the only product ever actually Apple's released such a cheap product. Oh, so okay, let's see what we got. So name of this is, what is the name of this? Okay, okay, let's connect to this. Get connected. Oh, it's connected. So I think it connected, so let's try out. Oh, looks pretty big too. Let's try to play something. I don't know if it works because I don't play PUBG Mobile. It works on PUBG Mobile, they say, but let's see if this game works. Okay. Get focus here. Yeah, I think when I change the SE it will fit better. Oh, slow. Sorry. Let's actually close the Wi-Fi because so many people are just using the Wi-Fi. Let's see if we can use it. That's this tradition. Let's play a game. Rolls pretty good. Color selection is nice. Oh, is that I need to download this app? Oh, actually, let's see. Stop. Okay. If I can do it, yeah, it's just, yeah, I won't do it because I can't. So just a simple unbox video. I do this really quick. Okay. Okay, I think it will provide some games for me, so I could choose that criteria. Why does it take so long? Open it again. Okay. Next. Oh, I need to download this one. Oh, okay, so these games can be played. So, I don't know how to play these games, but anyways, that's it for this unbox video, because I don't know how to use this. I don't know how to play those games. Anyways, that's it for this simple unbox of this joystick. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more videos. Make sure to subscribe, like my videos, and peace out.